This 2019 Forest River Vengeance Rogue 25 volts is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 30 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep's 6 LP detector, Skylight, stovetop burner, microwave, TV, oven, air conditioning, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Forest River Vengeance Rogue 25 volts is 6,498 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.